Apple, Nvidia, the semis are chipping away at stocks today in the majors, but right next to me is Virtu Financial's Matt Cheslock. Let's see what he has to say about it. Hey Matt, thanks for coming on board.
Absolutely, it's good to be here on Thursdays.
All right, I love Thursdays, love talking markets with you. You know what, Matt, I feel like the semiconductors are like the new transports. If something goes wrong with them, everything else fails. Would you agree?
You know, what's funny is yesterday I talked about the transports being the new leader. We had energy strong, transports were strong, the markets have been strong. But it's a good point that you bring up. The semis definitely are starting to have a influence on the leadership role, and we're starting to see when they move, the market does move. And yesterday they were strong, today they're a little bit weaker. And the market really doesn't have a handle on what to expect out of earnings right now. But you're going to have to find that leadership group to take us to the next level.
We have an ascending triangle on the S&P chart, which it did break out. So are we testing the breakout range right now?
I mean, we're going to try. You know, earnings have been good across the board so far. It's been a smaller sample size, but you look at a company like a stalwart like American Express that could give us a pretty good indication of the economy as a whole being up $7, and it can't take the market higher. Yesterday, for example, we had IBM down 12, and it couldn't drag the market lower. It was down fractionally. So it's a sign that there are new leadership groups, and the S&P is definitely looking to break out higher. We have got to figure out the 2-year, 10-year spread here. Maybe financials will now start to accompany some of this move higher.
Yeah, when we say something is so tight, it usually means a good thing, but not when we're talking about yields, right?
No, not in this case. You know, I think it's provided a lot of confusion for investors. You know, what the Fed is going to do in the short term as opposed to what we're seeing long term. It's providing a big headwind right now for the market.
Trying to wrap our heads around that for a while now, Matt. You and I talking on Thursdays. Now, a big test is going to be for Tesla, right? I mean, Elon Musk is under a lot of pressure. Do you think he'll deliver? I mean, will they be profitable like he said at the end of the year? You
know, what's funny is that Donald Trump takes so much heat for using Twitter, and Musk does it as well, but the stock doesn't want to seem to come in as much. You know, it has these 1 or 2 day moves lower, and then he re-promises. So can he meet this promise? Can he deliver on it? There's enough on both sides. This is starting to shape up, to me, starting to be like a Herbalife, you know, where there's going to be so many people on both sides of the market that someone's going to make a lot of money on this trade. And, you know, if he doesn't deliver, the shorts are ready to pounce.
I bet it's a highly shorted stock, right?
Yeah, I mean, right now, because it does move. You know, you get these 10% moves, and then it rallies back up 15%. So there's plenty of money to be made trading it intraday or intra-week. But it'll be interesting to see if he doesn't deliver, how much more rope does the investing public give him?
Yeah, for sure. Well, you know what? You never give us nothing short but a good answer. So thank you so much, Matt. Always nice to have you. I always say it on Thursday. See you next week.
Yeah, great not talking politics. It was nice.